Hello everyone, this is Pranjali from Profound EduTech. So in this session, today we'll discuss one problem statement. Okay. So first we'll discuss problem statement, then we'll see what is the algorithm for that. And with the help of that algorithm, we'll construct our program in C programming language, then in C++ and in Java programming language. So our today's problem statement is, I want to print Fibonacci series. Okay. So first we'll discuss what is Fibonacci series. So see, Fibonacci series is defined as a sequence of numbers in which the first two numbers are 1 and 1 or 0 and 1 depending on the selected beginning point of the sequence. Okay. Then, and each subsequent number is the sum of previous two, which means, suppose I have considered one starting point, that is beginning 0 and 1. Then third term will be addition of first two terms. So we have 0 and 1. Then third term will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then fourth term will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so in this sequence, we can define Fibonacci series. So this is the series. The nth term is the sum of n minus 1th term and n minus 2th term. Okay, so in this session, we are going to discuss the simple algorithm. Okay. And based on that, we'll construct our programs in C, C++, as well as in Java programming language. Okay. So see, the Fibonacci numbers up to certain term can be represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on. Okay. Clear? So now we'll see one algorithm for this Fibonacci series, and with the help of that algorithm, we'll construct as well as will define the particular program within particular programming language. So first we will discuss algorithm. First we'll just discuss algorithm, and after that we'll write algorithm. So first, always you have to start your algorithm. Very first step, you have to tag the variables. Okay, 3 variables were required. You can give any name, suppose A, B, and C. Then second, you have to set the values for A and B as 0 and 0. You have to initialize the variables. Then third, you have to display the value of first and second term, that is value of A and B. Then next, C equals to A plus B. As I told you, next term will be addition of previous two terms. That's why addition. After that, you have to display value of C. Then you have to set A equals to B and B equals to C. Then you have to repeat these steps from 4 to 6 for n times and last n. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. First we'll write algorithm. Okay. And then we'll construct programs. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. See, now we'll see algorithm for Fibonacci series. Okay. So Fibonacci series algorithm. First, we'll start. Okay. Then first step is tag integer variables. For example, A, B, or and C. Three variables were required for this algorithm, A, B, and C. Then second, initialize variables. How? A equals to 0 and B equals to 0. Third step, display value of A and B. Okay, you have to display the value of A and B variable. Then fourth step is C equals to A plus B, that is addition. Okay, then fifth step, display value of C. Then sixth step, you have to initialize or you have to set A equals to B and B equal to C. And last step, seventh step, that is you have to repeat these steps from 4 to 6 for n times. Okay, so जितने times आपको iterate करना है उतने number of times you can iterate. So you have to repeat these steps from 4 to 6 and last stop. Okay, so this is the algorithm for Fibonacci series. Now based on this algorithm, first we'll construct our program in C programming language. Okay, so for that I am using online compiler. Okay, so here I have selected the language, that is C. So first we'll construct our program in C programming language. Now here first section, that is link section. So we'll write hash include stdio.h header file. Then we need main function. So int main. First here I am initializing कि कितने number of times, कितने iterations आपको चाहिए. So I want n का value 10. You can accept the value from user also. Using printf and scanf function, we can define output as well as with the help of scanf function, you can accept the input from user in C programming language. So I have initialized n ka term, that is 10. Then I am initializing variables, that is A equals to 0 and then B equals to same 0. Okay. So initialization part. Here you have to initialize A ka value 0 and B ka value 0. Instead of that, we can define 0 and 1 also. Okay. So I have initialized A equals to 0 and then B equals to 1. Now we will print the 0th and first term. So for printing, in C programming language, printf function is used. %d, it is a format specifier for integer. %d, then comma, A, comma, B. We are just printing the value of 0th and first term. Then we'll declare one variable. Can you see यहाँ पे हमें fourth step करना है C equals to A plus B. But before that, we have to declare variable. So you can declare C or we'll define here next term. You can give any name to your variable. So int next term. Now here we will print the rest of the terms, okay, with the help of for loop. Here we'll declare I also for iteration. So for I equals to 2. Why? Because already we have defined 0 and 1, means 0th and first term. Now we'll start our loop from 2. So I equals to 2 then I is less than n, and then we'll increment the value of I, that is I plus plus. Now next, हमें addition करना है. So next term equals to A plus B. Okay. After that, you have to initialize A equals to B and B equals to C. Means हमारा C variable, that is B equals to next term. And then we will print the value. Okay. So printf double quotes %d comma will display the value of C. Then for loop close and last return 0. Okay. So see here, first hash include stdio.h. It is a link section. Every program's execution should start from main function. That's why main function. Then I have initialized the value of n variable, that is 10. Then int a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. Then here I have printed the value of 0th and first term. After that, I have declared variables I for loop and next term, that is nothing but third variable. Now here we are printing the rest of the terms with the help of for loop. So for I equals to 2, I is less than n, I plus plus. The next term equals to A plus B, A equals to B, B equals to next term. And then we have printed the value of next term. Then for loop close, return 0 and main function close. We'll check execution. Okay, can you see here? We need space. Okay, so at the time of printing, space diya hai. So now, can you see 0, 1? Okay, 0th and first term. Next term, that is addition of 0 and 1, that is 1. Next term, addition of previous two terms, 1 plus 1, 2. Then 3, that is addition of 1 and 2. Okay, so this is Fibonacci series. In this way, with the help of our algorithm, you can construct your program with the help of C programming language. Okay. Now exactly same algorithm will implement with the help of C++. So here we'll change language, that is C++. So for C++, here first link section we need hash include IO string, then using namespace std. Okay. Now again, every program's execution should start from main function. So we need main method. In this main method, you can declare the value of n. जैसे C में दिया था, exactly same. Now I'm initializing int num equals to 10. It is totally dependent on you कि आपको कितने terms चाहिए. I want only 10 terms. So that's why I have initialized the value of num variable, that is 10. Now again we'll initialize a and b. So same, int a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. Here we are considering beginning or starting point, that is 0 and 1. Now here we will print the value of 0th and first term. So in C programming language, printf function is used for printing or for output. But in C++, cout function is used for printing as well as for output. So I'm using cout A, okay, then comma, again B, and then here I'm defining again comma, semicolon. I'm just printing the value of 0th and first term. Same will declare one variable, that is next term variable. Okay, and will declare value means I variable because we need for loop to iterate the value. So in next term, that is nothing but third variable as like C, जैसे हमने algorithm में define किया था. Then I for loop. Now here we'll print the rest of the terms with the help of for loop. So for I equals to, again it will start from 2. Then I is less than num and I plus plus. Exactly same. Next term equals to a plus b, addition of first two terms. Then a equal to b and b equal to next term. And then we will print the value of third variable, that is next. So see out next term and then comma and then space, semicolon. For loop closed and then return 0 statement and then main function close. Exactly same thing we have implemented in C. So वही exactly same steps define किए हैं, but just यहाँ पे printing के लिए cout function and link section is different. Okay, so we'll check output. Can you see 0, 1? Okay, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 2 plus 3, 5. And 5 plus 3, 8. And so on. So it is Fibonacci series. So in this way, you can implement Fibonacci series with the help of C++ programming language. Okay. Now, we will construct same program with the help of Java programming language. So for Java programming language, I am using one IDE, that is Eclipse. So let's create one class. Okay. So I'm creating new class. Name of my class, suppose Fibo. You can give any name to your class. I want main method for execution. So select main method and click on finish. Then first, public class Fibo, then main method public static void main, and then string arguments. Exactly same. First will initialize the value of variable, that is n or num 10. Again मुझे 10 terms चाहिए, that's why मैंने 10 दिया है. In Java programming language, instead of initializing the value of num as 10, you can accept the value from user also. So for accepting the value from user in Java, we can use scanner class. So scanner, it is a class which is present in util package. So before using scanner class, first you have to import the package, that is java.util package, and then you can use your scanner class. But here I'm initializing the value of num variable, that is 10. Okay, then same, initialize the variable, that is a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. Now here we will print the value of 0th and first term. So in C programming language, we have used printf function for printf. In C++, cout function is used. Okay. But in Java, system.out.println function will use. So system.out.println. First will print the value of a, double quotes, comma, then plus value of b, double quotes, comma, space. I have just printed the value of 0th and first term. Now remaining terms के लिए first will declare one variable, that is next term. Then we need I. So here I am declaring I. Then for loop, exactly same, I equal to 2. Okay. Or instead of declaring variable I here, directly here we can declare and initialize the value. It is allowed in Java. Int I equal to 2, then I is less than num and I plus. Exactly same addition. That is next term equals to A plus B. Then A equals to B and B equals to third variable, that is next term. Okay. And now here we will print the value of third variable, that is next variable, means value of next term. So here next term plus double quotes space comma semicolon. Okay. Now here for loop close, your main function close, and then your class definition close. Let's check output. Run as Java application. Okay, just a moment, we'll check. Printing, see first, int num equals to 10, A equals to 0, B equals to 1, then system dot out dot println A and then B. Okay. Then, okay, instead of ln, we'll use only print because ln for new line. That's why वो new line पे data print हो रहा है. So again, we'll execute our value. Exactly same. Here again, we'll use same print function. And again, we'll check output. Can you see? Now within a line, सारे terms display हो गए. Very first term, that is 0 and then 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So instead of initializing the value of num, we can accept the value from user also. So how? For that, first you have to initialize the scanner class, but the scanner class is present in util package. So import the package, that is import java.util.star package. Then scanner sc equals to new scanner and then system.n. Okay. Then here we'll give one message. Enter terms. Okay, कि आपको कितने terms चाहिए. And then we'll accept the value in this num variable. So int num equals to, next int method is used in Java to accept integer value from user. So instead of initializing the value of variable, you can accept the value from user also. Okay. So again, we'll check output. Right click, run as Java application. Can you see message print हो गया है on your console? Enter terms. So based on your requirement, you have to enter your term. So I'm entering now 15. Can you see? यहाँ पे 15 terms आए हैं. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So in this way, you can define your Fibonacci series. Okay. Yes. So in this way, you can construct your program in C, in C++, as well as in Java programming language. Again, we'll just revise this concept and we'll revise algorithm. So Fibonacci series, for that, Fibonacci series, hence you have to define the series which are starting from either 0 and 1 or directly 1 and 1. So for that algorithm X, you have to declare two variables, first A and B. Then you have to initialize the value. Okay. that is A equals to 0, B equals to 1. Then you have to declare one more variable, but before that you have to print the value of 0th and first term. Then you have to declare third variable, okay. Then you have to define C equals to A plus B because next term always rahega addition of first two terms. Then you have to define C equals to A plus B means हमने किया है. Next term equals to A plus B. Then you have to initialize A equals to B, B equals to next term. And then last you have to display the value of next term, that is C. And then you have to repeat these steps, okay, for n times and then stop. Clear? So in this way, you can define your program with the help of C, C++, and Java programming language. Okay. So we'll stop here for the day. Thank you.